Water is life, and every drop of it matters. Yet little by little, we are losing our water resources due to pollution. Humanity is facing a serious environmental threat with the rapid growth of waste and the pollution of surface and groundwater. Next to the increasing amount of excess sludge, another big problem is the presence of micropollutants and difficult to degrade microplastics, making the sludge toxic and inappropriate for its usual agricultural use. Scientists have been looking at alternative processes that could complement conventional wastewater treatment methods. Advanced oxidation processes such as cavitation have been shown to optimize the results and minimize the risks.
The problems with existing wastewater treatment led us to think out of the box and develop an efficient green oxidation solution that could be used on an industrial scale. Our innovation, hydrodynamic cavitation wastewater treatment, is a solution introducing a pioneering water treatment approach.
The close collaboration of our scientific team and industrial partners resulted in a successfully developed hydrodynamic cavitation reactor, ready to be installed in existing wastewater treatment plants.
The wastewater treatment plants face a constant threat of biological treatment deprivation due to a variety of pollutants in the influent. Especially smaller plants need to fight the always changing inflow conditions on a daily basis. The advanced oxidation process, such as hydrodynamic cavitation, pose a promising solution to many such challenges.
The core of the technology is rotational generator of hydrodynamic cavitation. The device is designed to exploit rotor dynamics to generate cavitational cloud collapses with high pressure and temperature fluctuations, which cause the desired mechanical, thermal, and chemical effects. The innovation has many economical and environmental benefits, from reduced processing time and reduced excess sludge amount to increased treatment efficiency. The developed hydrodynamic cavitation reactor is environmentally friendly, economically feasible, robust, and easily scalable.
Want to know more about hydrodynamic cavitation wastewater treatment innovation? For more information, contact the Knowledge Transfer Office of University of Ljubljana.